Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going answer the question why your TOZO Tonal Dots are not charging. First, let's check if you have a foil on your earbuds. So right here we have charging contacts, and we need to check if you have a foil on them. Also you can check it for the charging case. Right here we have these charging contacts. And if you have, just remove it. Especially if you buy a new one, you will have it. Next one, I recommended to clean these charging contacts. You can use isopropyl alcohol, apply it to the charging contacts on your earbuds and the charging case, and then clean it with a brush. If you haven't cleaning tool, you can use toothbrush. By the way, at this channel we have a video how to clean these earbuds, so you can also check it if you want to. And the last one, I recommended to check your cable and replace. Maybe you need to use another one just for the test, and also adapter and the charging port on your charging case. At the back side we have this USB-C port, so check is everything okay with this port. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!